Yeah. You want Mama to throw it? Ready? Ready? Whoa! Too high? Too high? Well, careful. Remember how to do it? Get your shovel. Get your tool. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those Smarty Pants. Yeah, you got it. You throw it. Chip throw it. Good job. Yeah. Ugh. Little dance. Yeah. Ugh. Good job. You want me to throw it? Ready? Whoa. Whoa. Mama throw again? Too high. Too high. Yeah. How do you get it? How do you get it? Get your tool. Get your shovel. Get your tool. Yeah. That one's really kind of high, huh? Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah, you got it. Try it again. Try it again. Get your tool. Get your tool. Yeah. It's taking too long. Oh, yay! Go, Chip! You throw it. You throw it. Oh, way up there? How do you get it? How do you get it? That's how you get it? I don't think so. Get your tool. Remember, you learned how to get it. A little bit more, you gotta do it. Get it a little bit more. Oh, you're so smart. You're so smart. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody. Love you. Say bye-bye. Are you looking at the door? Nobody's leaving. Say bye-bye to the camera. Oh, yeah. Get that out of the way. Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. You put it in the scoop, Smarty Pants? Yeah. Oh, put it in the school bus. No, the school bus is flashing. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, the big ball. Is that Siobhan's ball? Big ball. 2 balls? I don't have another hand. That's your ball. Put it in your dump truck. Yeah.